In today's Speak Punjabi Gurmukhi tutorial for beginners, I'll be teaching you how you can read, write, and speak Gurmukhi script. Gurmukhi script is also known as Panti in Punjabi. It's called Gurmukhi because it is created and pronounced by Guru Sahib Ji, the great divine master of Sikhism. And it's called Panti because it has total 35 letters. Panti in English means 35. Here they are, all the letters of Gurmukhi script. From this one to this one. These are all 35 letters, and these 6 are those additional letters that are used to pronounce and write the words of languages such as Urdu, Arabic, Persian, etc., in the same way as they are pronounced in their own languages. Now, I'll be teaching you how you can write all these. The way to write Gurmukhi is different from English or Hindi letters. The starting of every Gurmukhi letter is always from the left. Now, pay a little attention to my speaking accent and hand movement, and also try to speak after me. So, the first one is Uda. Uda. Eda. Ed. Sassa. Ha. Kakka. Khakha. Gagga. Kagga. Nganga. Chicha. Chicha. Jija. Chija. Yenya. Tenka. Thatha. Dadda. Tadda. Rana. Tatta. Thatha. Dadda. Tadda. Nanna. Papa. Fafa. Babba. Pabba. Mamma. Yaya. Rara. Lalla. Wawa. Rada. Sh. Kh. G. Z. F. L. Now look, if we put dot on the fields of Sasa, Khakha, Gaga, Jaja, Fafa, and Lalla, then they form these new letters. Those sound is Sh, Kh, G, Z, F, L. Sasa, Sh, Khakha, Kh, Gagga, G, Jajja, Z, Fafa, F, Lalla, L. Now, I prepared these files which you can download from the link in the description box gurmukhi-tutorial.blogspot.com. On the first page, I have written Gurmukhi script, and on the next 8 pages, I have given the detailed steps to write Gurmukhi script. 5 letters on each page. I mentioned the page number above. You can follow these arrows to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I prepared the last sheet as a help and practice sheet on which I written the Gurmukhi script with pencil. You can print it and try to write with a pen, a sketch, or marker, whatever you like, on the top of pencil lines. This method will help you a lot. Now, this is not only the way to write Gurmukhi script, you can explore the Learning Gurmukhi playlist of Basics of Sikhi channel to go into the more details of Gurmukhi script. I have given that link in the description box also.